What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we are making a tier list on childhood shows because it went viral a couple of videos ago. So let's do it. Blue's Clues. I never watched Blue's Clues like that when I was a kid, but it was kind of fire. It's okay. I wouldn't say it's really good. It's okay. Rocco is More Than Life. I was going to watch it on Netflix, but it was an hour show, so no. Wait, let me make one real quick. Wait. Yep, let me make one real quick. And let's make that white. Yeah. I don't know. And just in case you were wondering, I was not a nostalgic kid. I was Gen Alpha, born in 2015, about to be 10 years old. Dang. I remember Paw Patrol. Looking back, it's not that bad, but it's not good either. It always gives me childhood vibes. Like I used to be a fiend for this show. This was a kid show, so I would say it's really good. When I was a kid, Monsters and Aliens. Oh yeah, I remember I used to watch it. Okay, what is this crap? I heard it's trash, but I want to put it in here though. I'll forget it. Oh yeah, I remember this show. I hate it. Killer Fire. It's so cringe. It's so cringe. I don't know. Where's the show? I don't know. Puppy? I don't know. Oh yeah! Wonder Pets. I heard it's bad. I only saw the meme, but other than that, I don't know. Monster High? Oh yeah, I remember I used to see this. Hate it. Kill it. Loud House? Nah. I think I remember that one time one of the characters used to be gay. It kind of made me get a little downside, but beside that, it's okay. Oh yeah, iCarly. I only watched like a bit of one season. One season is literally so cringe. So I'll put it in. That's really good. Just barely. I don't know that. Oh yeah, Bubble Guppies. I remember I used to watch Bubble Guppies. Bubble Guppies. Okay. Dark. Don't even know. Jimmy Neutron. I don't even know Jimmy Neutron. But I only watched like the collab with Fairly Odd Parents. That show, it's okay. I don't know. Rugrats. Oh, yeah, that's a fire show. That's a banger. That's a classic. Never used to watch this. It's so good. The only downside about that is Angelica. Like, they're toddlers. Why are you making fun of them? Is that Barbie? SpongeBob SquarePants. Another banger. Like, 2 bangers in a row. Like, SpongeBob SquarePants is a banger. Peppa Pig. Looking back, no, it's a bad show. I don't like Peppa Pig because you know why? The main character is so trash. She's a little spoiled, in my opinion. A little spoiled, in my opinion. And I remember George. I didn't like George. I can't say that. I hate George. George is the worst. Is the worst toddler, in my opinion. You know why? He cries every single episode. Like, he cries almost every single episode. It's a bad show. No. Looking back, no. Hey Arnold. Never watched. Oh, I told you I wasn't Gen Z. I never watched that show either. This show, I don't even watch like the intro. I think it's a pretty funny intro, so it's okay. Oh yeah, that shit. Oh, give me back to the old times. How's Donald Duck? Oh, Daffy Duck. Be a literal teacher. Yeah. It's trash. Hey, Dora the Explorer. Man, I hate you. But the song Backpack, yeah, it's kind of good. But other than that, it's trash. Baby Shark's Big Show. Man, I don't even know the show. Like, what? Victorious. Okay. I'll keep it real. I literally love some of the songs. It's literally a girl show, man. Oh. I only saw the songs. They were fire. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Never. I never had it. Never did it. Oh yeah, Backyardians. Everybody loves this show. I don't like the new version though. They literally killed 2 characters for the new show. I don't know you. Like, I used to watch you, but I don't really remember. So no. And I don't know what that is. Oh yeah, the Fairly Odd Parents. A banger. Like, that hit the thing, but wait, why does that sound kind of weird? But they're a banger. And just Jordan, don't even watch them. Okay, I feel like I need to do something here. Yeah. Okay, so that's it, guys. Like and subscribe if you can, because I'm literally falling off. But if you can, do that. Like and subscribe, please. Oh yeah, I'm not like I'm not a subscribe beggar like the others. So yeah, do that. Bye.